Every teacher will have a professional development notebook for school year 2013-14. Within that notebook, you will find this checklist with your individual information. So it will contain your SLO area, your growth plan area, and whatever you reported on the December 19th survey after the staff meeting about professional development that interested you. So if you look at the different checklist opportunities, there is of course the required PD of this school year, which is the Common Core Teacher Certification, also known as Black Belt, and those assignments and syllabus were found in the greatpd.com/Moodle website. When you are ready to share this notebook with your supervisor, you'll need to make sure that you answer the question about the last module you completed. The reason we put together this notebook as an individualized one is because we wanted to give everyone the opportunity to not only indicate the professional development that they have been doing throughout the school year, but to give you a place where you can reflect on how you have taken something from a professional development opportunity and implemented it, whether it was within your classroom through a curricular change, whether it was something you did through a PLC process, or maybe a resource you made for students. Whatever you did, we wanted to give you the opportunity to collect the evidence in a single place that would be easy to share with your supervisor. Part of the December 19th survey was a question about where would you want professional development housed, and Evernote was the majority answer. So with everyone having their own professional development notebook with the exact same checklist, we thought that would be a good way for you to collect and share evidence with your supervisor. So think back to the beginning of the year, and you would be able to check off different professional development opportunities that you've completed. And then the evidence part of it is where you're either going to create a note for each professional development opportunity you have completed, or to create a single note as your PD reflection and then just put information about that on the note. That would be something you could talk to your supervisor about. And again, this is part of your OTES evidence, so you really just kind of need to think about the narrative that you're going to be able to supply. Any examples that you could also provide to use as evidence would be a very good thing to include here. And we did provide a couple opportunities for you to put your own description in. Maybe you found something on your own through a local ESC or university that you would want to include. That would be fine. And this is not in place of LPDC, but again, things that you do for PD can of course be submitted for LPDC credit. As soon as that system is up and running again this school year, you can check the other PD notebook for the directions.